Hey there, in this video, I will show exactly how to delete messages on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on Menu from the top right corner. Now from here, click on Your Activity option. Then scroll down and click on Download Your Information. To download your information, tap on Request to Download. After requesting for download, select the type of information. Now choose the information type you want your data for, like message, then click on Next. Then select the data range as last week and tap to save. After that, click on Submit Request. Now your request for download is submitted. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.